It is a just a paper trade video. Please mention it is a paper trade account. Okay, this is not a real money any kind of thing. So today the MCX futures. I mean our Indian market was closed. So otherwise, this kind of trade. I mean this is the trade I am going to actually taken because the London not getting the we can trade on the exchange close. This area, I think I will get a limit order. Um, okay, if I get it, I will take my SL. I'm actually not really aware about the spread kind of thing. So it is. I don't know why I'm not getting that. Um, or otherwise, I will prefer to take a market order because the limit order, how much the spread on this kind of particular chart, I mean the asset, the script, I don't know, right? Mm, I'm actually putting it is better to put some market order other than limit order because I'm not aware about the spread. Oh, the spread is really high. So I'm just putting little further below the expected stop loss. So that swing is actually my area of. I'm actually ended on this FEG. So I want to see big up close candles beyond here. So my initial, I mean the final target would be here. But I will mostly take one quantity around here. Okay. So create a new order, sell limit, limit one, sell, then I think it is everything is perfect. Sometimes this kind of thing is confused me a lot because sometimes it will not put at that buy or sell. It is something I'm little confused about the trading view interface. That's why I'm just checking. Everything is perfect. So okay, sell it. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, I am expecting. I'm expecting the thing is, I'm just putting the measurement of total. So it can go beyond that, but I don't need it that. So if I am taking any other quantity, I will put here the 50 percentage of here to here. Uh, Around here, I put the main target, but it is reasonable to expect some. It is a good volatile section I am expecting, so it can do that. Okay, so the speed I am expecting, I'm just typing that. Um, the, close candles. So if you want to go back to 1 hour kind of thing, see 1 hour we have a 1 hour we have, sorry, I'm just referring to the, we are not going to it now. 1 hour that is the inversion failure. This is a sell side. I'm just looking for that. So that's why I'm putting the counterparty to that buy side. This actual looks like a actual equal high, right? So yeah, that is I'm expecting. So it will go further. I will put the stop loss to what I can do. What I can actually trigger the stop loss to even this level, but It is a high probability setup, so I'm not worried at all that kind of thing. So this FEG want to stay open. I mean that bullishness, right? So, but this kind of trade not usually getting. It is a high frequency, so the ICT not reveal this kind of thing. You can actually. I'm not going to the step. What is the thing I'm using here? Based on the time, that is the only thing I can give. But the thing is, you need to know everything about the time. So that is the thing. I'm not saying the macro element only. The other things, the sections, kind of a lot. And if you can go beyond that, you can actually do this kind of things in monthly and weekly. But I'm not going to that kind of thing. So yes, I'm putting the stop loss here because there is no. I don't want to see the candle. This candle want to be breakaway gap. So okay, this yeah candle need to be breakaway. But this kind of setup, I mean, in crude oil especially, not usually get on London session. But today was highly, what I can we can see a lot of if you are going to 1 hour, lots of large down. I'm actually not catch at that kind of thing because seriously the overnight session I'm actually not really good at. I mean the time delay we have that, right? So sometime I go on that time on breakfast, so, sorry, dinner. So sometime I will get this kind of miss this kind of move. Usually that kind of move I participate on options. I'm actually not good at on option because the complex stuff. But I just put the naked put or say call. But this kind of trade I go to futures and do. Because the MCX we can actually see the candle because the volume, I mean the participation of that particular script that is really low. So I mostly go to the option segment. I mean the area. So if you are someone, if you are looking for this kind of area, I mean partial, this is actually good reasonable to take a partial. I notice how much the move was if we will get a good kind of move. Uh, it is the London you can anticipate this kind of thing. This is the normal London crude we can expect. Yes, we can. The thing is, the commodity is actually the time is getting London not really give a good move kind of it. It can, but some mostly the condition need to occur. That kind of move need to occur. So. If you can include the intra-market relationship, that can lead a big thing. But this trade, I'm not. I'm just look the crude oil chart and Dixie only. So the Dixie consolidate. I just want to see the Dixie consolidate this dealing range. So that is the thing. That is dealing the arrangement this to this. So that is also. It something the thing I can share. It is not only for the it's just one thick pony. That is not the stuff actually. It is way complex than we think. But once you see ICT, actually I don't know ICT will give this kind of the low resistance liquidity thing, but he will actually give the 1 hour and I mean sorry the main mostly low resistance signature thing. So the target. So I want to see the expansion need to really quick. Okay, after that the expansion need to really quick. I mean it did not stay this. I mean it come back and go. I don't want to see that kind of stuff. Then the movement need to be up really fast. I mean um, the expansion need to be high. I mean, the speed of the expansion need to be high. So that is a minus side that I am expecting. So in case something is intra-market and everything, what every this kind of setup is going after. I mean, um, what the setup is completely messed up. I don't need to worry actually. I'm just putting the stop loss. But this kind of trade in second, I mean, the frequency of this kind of trade is very less. I mean, you need to really selective. This kind of big moves. I mean, if you are doing index futures, you can get a good area. And because the London mostly not commodity that active, but it can give this kind of area. So I just want to see them. Um, and I mean, we need to expand towards that. I don't want to see the holding things because if it is holding, um, the time. I mean, the expansion not happened within 4 or 5 candles. It is not really reasonable to anticipate that because the running down on equity will happen. Um, so just wait, and we can wait actually for a 5 or 6 minute because I don't want to this video more than how because it is just a paper trade execution. So I just want to the people need to see this kind of high probability setup we can take and make a good living with that. But you need some little bit of cash actually. If you are doing futures, how much the mini contract actually costs? Actually, sometimes the volatility comes, sometimes it will cost around in INR something 23 or 24,000, but the highly volatile section it will be go to around 30,000 rupees. So around 2 to 3 lakhs or 2.5 lakhs it is required. If you're doing options, you need more than I mean more than patience than this because the frequency the trade will be happen not this kind of uh, you see I mean the moment it can see like it is good big but uh, the frequency the trade we are taking it is high frequency this kind of setup I'm not measuring the points but this kind of setup will actually give a lot I mean every section we have a this kind of move but if you want to do option you need to be more patient because the frequency of the trades way less than compared to this because that is need to be in a higher time frame so uh, higher time frame means uh, I think I can share something that is limited that's why I'm pausing a little bit so this is not I want that see this is not I wanted, but it is okay because we are not getting loss and whatever we expected that is come. But the main target, right? So uh, if if it is create some kind of swing, I just cut off the position. I don't want to. The video will be long. It can go, but it can go means the main uh, the bias kind of the thing the narrative that is actually not bullish. So it have a good amount of weakness in daily time. Okay, it will be. I just want to. Uh, So this is actually the running down on equity, but okay, the movement I'm not getting, I think. It is good to book complete position. There is no reason to move the. I'm just measuring the movement. That's why I'm putting that main order. So after that, it will be high resistance or time distortion kind of thing. But the video will be longer. I don't want that. I just need a small dopamine hit video. Right. By the way, I think it will be no trouble. I think the SEBI, this kind of paper trail execution, there is no reason for the just cut off the position if it is go beyond the stop loss. Okay. I mean the I see. Let me put here. But this kind of spread, I mean, after the spread, I will it not going to accurate, but I just want to see the price hold this. Otherwise, price can go and do just choppiness or kind of. I mean that, yeah. So yeah, that's it. Go into some. Yeah, the board is closing, right? So the closing can tell a lot of things. Closing and some kind of liquidity closing and that kind of thing tell a lot of things. Yeah, that is the real folks. That is real. The ICT, the slogan, which do the damage, body tell the story. That things is real. That if you want some clues, that is the evidence of this kind of big moves. It is here, but I'm not going to point it to that particular row. That thing. I'm not going to that, but because but first of all, that is not my purpose. I just figure it out. It takes some time for me, but because of ICT executions and the things, the timing element and the section timing element and the days timing element, the weeks timing element, that kind of thing, I need to think a lot to get it. So that is how I kind of figure it out. This kind of thing. Mhm. This is called the running on down on equity. Okay. So yeah, if I speed up this video, I don't think it is a good idea because that take lot of effort. Need to put on some I mean editing software. In my I'm just working on. I'm just using just a laptop now. My system. I have a so I mean the desktop, but recent days it will be not working. I need to fix first that. So that have the graphics card and everything. So apart from trading, I'm not use this laptop as much. So the first I need to download the trading. I mean editing software. Then with that lot of work. So I'm not going to. So what I'm expecting is just to move and go and up and down. This all thing is a time distortion. I mean, this can go up and down. This can certain time. Okay, not going to happen on every time. No, that is the retailers will call that choppy market kind of. That is not choppy. That is actually time distortion. The here. you can see this all thing is actually a time distortion. All thing means all thing to certain time element. After that it will move. I mean it can move, but the signature we are looking, the no resistance liquidity signature, if that is have that in chart, it then only that this kind of move will happen. That is also based on the time delivery. The time need to engage with the price. I mean, the blending of the time need to be accurate with the price. That is real, folks. If you don't want to believe, I don't care. But that is how I actually operated. This is the things here. I don't think ICT will give. That is too. This kind of thing is too good. Okay. The frequency in this kind of move will happen every section, every, I mean, the London and New York, that is not, that is a section, but we have another some kind of section we can engage. So you can actually find that kind of thing. Oh, that the spread is the chart is looking good. Otherwise, I am expecting around here the stop loss will hit. So I'm not usually trade on this particular script. I actually go for the TVC chart, but I just randomly picked this chart. So look this. I don't know. It can. I mean, the CE will respect that everything it is. I just want to cut off the video. That's why I'm frustrated. Everything is perfect. I mean, the yeah. Anyway, see you folks. I don't think the video will be get this kind of long, but yeah, see you all whenever I put this kind of video in another session. I'm not actually thinking of that because today the Indian market was closed, so I just think, okay, I'm not taking real trade. I can't, right? So I just put a video how it's going to be. That's why I just put, okay, see you.